Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to do a quick video. So we're going to show you how to install Apache 2 on Ubuntu 20.04. So what you're going to do, you're going to go and look for your terminal, which is here, and also say sudo. If you not sudo, su, then you enter. After enter, it's going to ask you for the password. Punch in the password quickly. Then you press enter. After that, what you're gonna do, you update. You can say update, then say update. Then you say enter. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Yeah, we're done with the updates. So also say sudo. No, you don't need a sudo because you're sudo already. Once you see this hash, so it means you are sudo, you don't have to sudo again. So say get install Apache 2. Okay, then you hit enter. Yes, it asks you to say yes, you say yes. It's gonna start installing your Apache 2. You can see what's going on there. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, it's done, guys. This is not something difficult to do. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna minimize our terminal, then we go here and we say localhost, then we hit enter. Yeah, you can see, once you see this, just know that your Apache 2 is on. So you know the good thing about Ubuntu is, like in most cases, Apache 2 is always on, by it's automatically switched on when you switch on the computer. Those services, they start when you switch on the computer. But if you're using a different Linux flavor like Kali Linux, you have to run this command. Let me show you the command. You say service Apache 2 start. You hit enter, then they will start, those services will start. So after doing that, I don't think there's much for you to do, but you can find, maybe if you want to go to folders where you can find where you're gonna put your files to start maybe doing your programming and things like that. So you can go here in that folder, then you look for other location. After other location, you go to computer. After that, you look for var, this place called var. After that, you look for www. After that, you look for HTML. After this is the page you see here. So you can create your folder here, because you can see now you cannot create any folder because you don't have permission to do that. But if you wanna do that, you can give permission 777 to chmod. You can say chmod -r, then you give it 777. You do what? You can create a folder in this. So if you want, you can say open in terminal. Once you open in terminal, you know you're there. So you can just say sudo. Then you say so, then say enter. To ask you for the what, 07227. Okay, that's the password. After the password, now you sudo. You can do things like maybe create a directory in where you are. You can create a directory and say dch. Okay, that's changing. mk make dir, let's make directory, then you say that directory we can make it my web. So if you hit enter, it simply means it created a folder in that. You can see now it created a folder called my web. You can see, yeah. So that's the way also you can create a folder and start doing your stuff. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This is the best channel for everybody who is learning to do some stuff on Linux and also some stuff on PHP, MySQL. See you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.